Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my pork and prawn pot sticker dumplings. Easy to do, really tasty, a nice little appetizer. Okay, look, let's get on with it. Okay, I've got my big food processor out, 300 grams worth of ground pork mince, right, for the Aussies. Put that straight in like that, and about the same again. So about 300 grams worth of green prawns, which I've shelled and deveined. Alright, they can go straight in as well. Now, around about 2 spring onions or scallions that I've given them a rough chop, and I'm going to put in about 3 cloves of fresh garlic that I have crushed down in my little food garlic press. I'm also going to add in around about half a teaspoon's worth of white pepper and around about a quarter teaspoon's worth of sesame oil that can go in, and I'm just going to put in around about half a teaspoon's worth of soy sauce. Give that all a really good blitz up and get all those ingredients combined and minced. I'm going to add in 1 egg white that is going to go in. That's going to help bind everything together. Give that one more little bit of a blitz, just like that, and before you know it, we're going to have our dumpling filling done. It is that easy to do. Right, here I've got some little galgi wrappers, little dumpling wrappers, and I'm just going to put a small amount of filling in. The biggest mistake most people make making a dumpling is they put too much filling in, and I've been guilty of that in the past. A little bit of water around the edge, just like I did there. A little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to go with a pretty simple dumpling shape. I'm just going to fold that in half, squeeze it all together and try and get all the air out. And I'm also going to just give that a very simple pleat. I'm not going to go for anything too fancy. If you're a long time viewer of the channel, yes, I do have MS and my left hand does not work the way I like it to. But look, even I can make these little dumplings with the physical disability that I have. All right, put your little bit of filling in, a little bit of water, squeeze it, give it a little bit of a pleat, and before you know it, you have made yourself a heap of dumplings. Now that amount of filling is enough for 60 dumplings. All right, I've just got 30 sitting there. I'm just going to do those tonight. All right, I've got the tops of 3 spring onions. I'll just give them those a nice slice, a little dash of peanut oil. Alright, I'm going to make this beautiful little scallion oil. Just set that aside, no need to cook it off, just let the onion do its thing. Alright, we've got a fry pan here. You can use a wok if you want to, but it's better to have a flat base. A little bit of peanut oil goes down, just like that. Just give this a bit of lubrication. Alright, just give that a bit of a swirl, like that. Now, what we're going to do, I've got this on a sort of medium heat, and all I'm simply going to do is arrange all my dumplings down, a little bit of space in between in case I want to swirl, but we don't want to have them too crowded, but we want to try and fit 30 dumplings into this fry pan. Okay, so just keep arranging those like I am doing right there. And if you haven't made your own pot sticker dumplings before, wow, why not? They are so easy and they taste amazing. Alright, so just put all your dumplings down just like that, and simply just going to fry these off until the bottoms of them go a little bit golden brown. So what you want to do is every now and then just grab one, check the base of it, and we want that nice golden brown colour. They're a little bit too blonde for my liking at the moment. Put them on for another couple of minutes, and look, I'm getting some real nice brown colours on the bottom, and they're not sticking to the pan at all. Absolutely perfect. In the meantime, I've just heated up a little bit of water because we are going to steam these in a second. Alright, so just arrange those again, make sure they're not sort of sticking together, and all I'm simply going to do is put in a little bit of water. Now, first time I made a bit of a mistake. I forgot my lid. I'm going to turn that down to a low heat, and I'm also going to get my lid and just leave a little gap, and that way we can pour our water in, and we only need around about a centimetre's worth of water. Leave that lid on, and we're going to steam these off for around about 7 to 10 minutes, right? Just not too long at all. Now 7 minutes has gone past. I'm pretty happy with that, and I'm just going to take the lid off just like that, get all the water off the lid, and we're just going to leave that on a low heat, let the water evaporate, and before you know it, you're going to have the perfect pork and prawn pot sticker dumplings. Alright, just make sure they're all nice and loose and they haven't stuck to the pan. That is a risk. Make sure you use a non-stick pan. Pot sticker comes with that name for a reason, and it's because they can stick. Serve those up with some sauce, my scallion oil, my homemade chili oil. I'll leave a link in the description for that. A little bit of tamari soy, and I'm just using a little bit of a sweet Vietnamese spring roll dipping sauce there. Okay, love to see you try and make these ones at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notification bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms on social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there, and please leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. In the meantime, you want to learn how to make a nice little Asian entree or starter or even a snack just like this, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos again. I'll drink my pork and prawn pot sticker dumplings, and I will catch you next time. Bye.